Hi, welcome to this tutorial on setting up your calendar. This tutorial is geared towards center students who are starting off at center and getting used to their portal accounts. We want you to have a good place to keep yourself organized, and a lot of you don't keep paper calendars anymore, but you do have an option to keep a calendar on your computer and sync it up with your phone. And it's really good for helping you stay on top of grades and on top of when assignments and projects are due. So I want to show you how to do that today. First step is going to go to our portal site, which is portal.office.com, or you can go there using your student websites page. I'm going to use a student's account that I have borrowed for the purpose of this. So we're going to put in our entire email, and then it's going to automatically log us in. So you'll notice this from the times where you've used this to check your email. It's the same program that you use to check your email that you're going to be able to use to look at your calendar. So what we're going to do is click on these little squares up here, and one of the options you're going to see that you may have never noticed before is the calendar. So if we click on the calendar option, this calendar is mostly blank, which is what we expected. What we'd like you to try to do is to start using this calendar so that you can set reminders for things that are coming up. So today is Tuesday, September 8th. Let's say that this student has a project in English class due next Wednesday on the 16th. So we're going to double click on the 16th, and it's going to open up this box. Location, if you want to add a room number, feel free to. Let's say it's a third hour class, so it's due at 10 a.m. And we'll just set this to be a 10-minute appointment. Now, what I want you to do also is add some more details. When you click on that, it's going to open up the larger browser here. The key thing that we want you to learn here is this reminder button. The reminder is automatically set at 15 minutes, but this is a third hour class, so I'm going to suggest that it's set at 3 hours. So it starts at 10 a.m., so it will remind you at 7 a.m. You could also set it for 2 days out, so that on Monday morning it's going to shoot up a reminder saying, remember, you've got this project due. In the box here, you can put in some extra information. The details are on Moodle. Ask Mrs. Mahoney if you have any questions. And so you can remind yourself of some details when you create this assignment. Now, let's say you're working on this with somebody. This is where this gets really cool. Let's say that myself, Mr. Chambers, is helping you out with this project. So you can add me on here. You can add other students on these. You can add other teachers. Now, your teachers probably don't want to have all your reminders unless you're specifically working with them on something. But if it's a group project, this is a really good way to set deadlines with an entire group. And at this point, you're pretty good to go. And this is going to give you a good setup for your projects that are coming up. You can do this for every single assignment and set your reminder if you want to be reminded 10 minutes before, just so you remember to turn it in, or if you want to be reminded a day before. You get to choose how you want that to go. The last thing I'm going to do is click send. That's going to send me, Mr. Chambers, an invite to this event. Click send. It's off. You've got it on your calendar, and you're good to go. It gives you the reminder over here. So whenever you come to the calendar here, you can see exactly what's going on. When you want to go back to your email, and you're good to go. So that is how you set up your calendar. What we'd like you to do today in advisory is to learn how to do this feature, and then maybe set up some calendar appointments for any current homework assignments you have and any current projects that you know of, any test dates, any quiz dates. If you are in Mr. Chambers' class, then you know you've got a quiz every Friday, so that's something you could set up right now for every single Friday for the rest of the school year. So thank you for paying attention, and I hope this is helpful to you.